Carboxylic acid. The carbon compounds containing a carboxyl functional groups, that is COOH. So this is the carboxylic functional groups are called carboxylic acid. The carboxyl group consists of the carbonyl group attached to the hydroxyl group, that is the carbonyl group C double bond O OH. The carbonyl group attached to the hydroxyl group. Hence, it is named carboxyl. So, carboxylic acid may be aliphatic or aromatic depending upon the group of alkyl or aryl attached to the carboxylic carbon. So, the large number of carboxylic acids are found in nature. There are some higher members of aliphatic carboxylic acid like C12 to C18 known as called fatty acid. So, the fatty acids are occur in natural fat as esters of the glycerol, that is carboxylic acid, serve as a starting material for the several other important organic compounds such as anhydrides, esters, acid chlorides, amides, like this. Then nomenclatures of carboxylic acid. Nomenclatures of the carboxylic acid is acids are among the earliest organic compounds isolated from nature. A large number of them are known in their common names only. The common names end with the suffix, simply end with I, IC acid. For example, that is have been derived from the Latin or Greek names of their natural sources. For example, formic acid. So simply look at this suffix IC acid, so that formic acid. The formula is HCOOH. This is a red ant. It occurs from the red ant. So that is Farmacia in Latin means that is ant. So Farmacia means ant. So that this acetic acid from vinegar. Acetic acid. So IC acid, CH3 COOH. It's from vinegar, and the butyric acid. The butyric acid is butyric acid. The formula is CH3 CH2 CH2 COOH. So this is from rancid butter. So butyrum means butter. So these are the common names of the carboxylic acid. So they are suffix end with IC acid. So these are the common name. Then the IUPAC system, the aliphatic carboxylic acids are named in the replacing ending that E in the name of the corresponding alkane with oic acid. Addition of that is in alkane, the removal of E, addition of that is removal of E, addition of oic acid. So this is for IUPAC system. This is common system and this is a IUPAC system. In a numbering the carbon chain, that is the carboxylic carbon is the numbered one, and for naming the compound containing more than one carboxyl group, the alkyl chain numbered as the that is carboxyl groups are indicated by adding the multiplicative prefix, the dicarboxylic acid, tricarboxylic acid, depends the number 2, 3. There is 2 OH group means 3 COOH group means 3 COOH group means tricarboxylic acid, like this. That is the to the parent chain of the compound. The position of the COOH group, the position of the COOH groups are indicated by the Arabic numeral before the multiplicative prefix. So look at, I will show some. For example, formic acid in IUPAC name, only one carbon atoms are present, so that this is methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. This is IUPAC. Acetic acid, like this, the acetic acid, 2 carbon, so that ethanoic acid. So this carbon gets number first, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means what? Butanoic acid. So like this. These are the naming for aliphatic. For aromatic compound, simply common name is a benzoic acid. IUPAC name also benzoic acid or benzene carboxylic acid. Benzene carboxylic acid. And similarly, 2OH group, suppose compound like this, COOH group present like this, means the common name is phthalic acid and IUPAC name is 1,2 benzene 1,2 dicarboxylic acid. So these are the nomenclatures of the carboxylic acid. Then the structure of carbonyl, the carboxyl group. Here the structure of carboxylic acid, carboxyl group. In a carboxylic acid, the bonds to the carboxyl carbon lie in one plane and are separated by about 120-degree angle. So the carboxylic carbon is less electrophilic than carbonyl carbon because of the resonance structure. Look at this, the carboxylic acid COOH structure like this. So this bond is shifted here, so it start the resonance. So what happened here? Forms a carbocation. So the carbocation stabilized by the lone pair of electron, the oxygen. So what happened again? The positive charge is created in the oxygen atom, and the positive charge is stabilized in the carbon atom. So again the further the same steps also possible. Again this stabilize the oxygen to form again carbocation. So that this is the structure of carbonyl compound. Then methods of preparation. Preparation of the carboxylic acid. First, from primary alcohols and aldehyde. The primary alcohol like RCH2OH, any primary alcohol, in the presence of the alkaline potassium permanganate, in the presence of acid, alkaline potassium permanganate and hydronium ion, that is acid, to form the carboxylic acid. This primary alcohols are readily oxidized to carboxylic acid with a common oxidizing agent like the potassium permanganate or neutral acidic or alkaline media, potassium dichromate, chromium trioxide, any other reason, or acidic media, that is in chromium trioxide, Jones reagent like CH3 1 decanol, CH3 CH2 8 times COOH. So this is called decanol, sorry, CH2 COOH. This using of Jones reagent, that is chromium trioxide, sulfuric acid, this is called Jones reagent to form decanoic acid. So CH3 CH2 8 times COOH. Oh, this is 8, 9, 10, sorry. So 1 decanol. Then next method is from alkyl benzene. The alkyl benzene means the aromatic carboxylic acid can be prepared by the various oxidants, that is vigorous oxidizing agent like alkyl benzene with chromic acid, or acidic or alkaline potassium permanganate. They enter the side chain and the oxidize to the carbon irrespective of the length of the side chain. See, suppose if you take toluene or methyl benzene, so the primary and the secondary groups are oxidized in the manner this. Look at this: potassium permanganate in KOH. On heating, you will get potassium benzoate. Then, in the presence of acid, to form benzoic acid. COOH. So, similarly, the side chain increases. That means increasing of the side chain. So CH2, CH2, COOH. The same reagents are adding. That is potassium permanganate, KOH. On heating, you will get again the same potassium benzoate. Again adding of acid to form benzoic acid. Then from nitriles and amides. From nitriles and amides, the nitriles are hydrolyzed amide and then to acid in the presence of the H plus, like H plus or base as acid or base as catalyst. The mild reaction conditions are used. So that is used to stop the reaction at the amide stage. So look at this first reaction. The RCN, this is the nitrile compound, react with acid or base, so to form the amide, that is amine. Then the amide then react with H plus or OH minus to form carboxylic acid. Then the reacts with this amide, this is the ethanamide, this is the amide. Amide react with the acid H plus on heating to converts carboxylic acid. Similarly, in benzamide, this is benzamide, this is ethanamide, and this is benzamide, converting to benzoic acid. This is ethanoic acid, this is benzoic acid. And from Grignard reagent, already we studied that Grignard reagent react with the carbon dioxide, there is a dry ice, to form the salt. This is the salt, that is the carboxylic acid, which is turned to give corresponding carboxylic acid after acidification with the mineral acid. So already we know that Grignard reagents are reagents, and nitriles can be prepared from alkyl halides in what is that unit name is haloalkanes and the haloarenes. This two reaction, this very useful for converting this two method, converting of alkyl halides into corresponding carboxylic acid having one carbon atom more than that present in the alkyl halide, that is in ascending the series. Next is from acyl chloride and anhydrides. That is the acid chlorides when hydrolyzed with water to give carboxylic acid are more readily hydrolyzed with aqueous base to give carboxylate ions, which on acidification providing corresponding carboxylic acid. Then anhydrates, this is the anhydrates on the other hand, the hydrolyzed to corresponding acid with water. This is the compound, this is the anhydride compound. Look, this is acid chloride react with water to form carboxylic acid in the presence of base carboxylate ion, and react with acid to form carboxylic acid. Similarly, acetic anhydride, that is benzoic anhydride, this is the benzoic ethanoic anhydride. So treatment with here not acid, water. So water to form the benzoic acid, two molecules of benzoic acid. This is benzoic acid and the ethanoic acid. Next is from ester. Acidic hydrolysis of ester gives directly carboxylic acid, while the basic hydrolysis gives carboxylate, which is on acidifying to giving corresponding carboxylic acid. For example, C6H5, COO, C2H5. So this is ethyl benzoate. Ethyl benzoate and hydronium ion H3O plus to form benzoic acid C6H5, COO, H and ethanol C2H5OH. Then ethyl butanoate, that's CH3, CH2, CH2, COO, C2H5. This is ethyl butanoate. React with basic medium. This is acidic medium, first reaction. This is the basic medium to form CH3, CH2, CH2, COO, Na and C2H5OH ethanol. C2H5OH ethanol. Suppose react with hydronium ion H plus to form butanoic acid. That's CH3, CH2, CH2 and COOH. So this is the butanoic acid. Then we will discuss the physical properties in next class. Thank you.